So hello guys, hi Goz Squad, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a different kind of look. It's monochrome and I'm happy about it. Let me start by apologizing for chewing. I forgot I had something in my mouth, but somehow in the middle of the video I remembered to throw it out. So I went ahead and combed my brows, my brow hairs up with a spoolie, and now I'm filling them in with the Mabrook brown brow pencil. Then I went ahead to clean that up with the LA Girl Pro Conceal. I think this is in the shade Fawn. This is in the shade Fawn. I outlined the top and the bottom part, and then I cleaned. I know some people don't bother cleaning the top most part of their brows, but when I do that I just feel it looks messy. I wasn't sure, again, I'm a very undecided person, on what I wanted, so I had to do one eye, then come back and do the other one while I showed you guys what I was doing. I went ahead I used I think it is NYX Jumbo Pencil in Milk all over my lids, and then I'm going in with a white / silverish eyeshadow. Let me state here that basically you can use anything you have. You mustn't use the exact things I'm using. As long as it's the same colors, you get the same result. Okay, after that I'm going in with another brush, obviously, and a black eyeshadow. This black eyeshadow is from Jara. I've had it for a very long time, but then the name of the company is Jara, and I'm just tapping that in the outer corner of my eyes, trying to make a V kind of, and then blending it into the white a bit so that there's no demarcation and I don't look funny. I'm going back in with that same black shadow, and I'm just trying to draw a line on top of the white eyeshadow. If that makes any sense. I'm using a very pointed brush for this because I don't want to spread the black eyeshadow all over my eyelids. We did not go in, or we're not going in with a transition color or a shade, so I'm just trying to make that look neat. This is a silver glitter liner. It's from Balloon Cosmetics. I'm using that I use that on top of the black eyeshadow where the white one stopped, and then just winged it out at the bottom too. To prime my face, I'm going in with the Rimmel Cosmetics primer. I'm just rubbing that all over my face. I feel the video is way faster than my voice, but I hope you guys understand. For priming, you can use anything. Like I said earlier, you mustn't use what I use. Use whatever it is you have. Makeup is about exploring. Use whatever it is you have, and then you get, if not the same, similar results. I'm sure I won't be able to tell the difference. Foundation, I'm using the Maybelline Matte Mousse Foundation. I think I mixed that with my L'Oreal True Match in shade C10. The very dark one, because my Maybelline foundation seems a bit too light for me at times. I don't know why that is. I did something different in this video. I did not use a concealer under my eye because I felt I was already looking bright enough. I just went in with setting powder. I don't know if that is a makeup blunder, so please don't come for me. I don't know if it's a makeup blunder, but then I did it and I wore this for a while and I did not even notice any difference. So if it's a blunder, I'm sorry. I apologize to the makeup community, and if it's not a blunder, well, I invented something. All right, I'm contouring now, and this is my Fair Up makeup definer. I'm just chiseling out my cheekbones, everywhere that I'm supposed to get snatched and look good. And after that is done, okay, let's wait for that. Okie dokie. Well, that's done, and I'm going back into the eye, my bottom lashes, bottom eye, whatever, guys. But then you can see what I'm doing. I'm just going back in with the same black eyeshadow, and I'm putting that and I'm smoking it out a little bit. I didn't do so much. I did that halfway, then I went back in with the white / silverish eyeshadow I used on my lids. I just extended that from my inner corners all the way to the bottom. That way I have the same thing I have up going on at the bottom, if that makes any sense. Well, if you're doing this, I'd advise you move your black shadow a bit forward so that you don't have, I didn't like the way this looked on camera when I was done, so maybe you should do more black, less white if you're a woman of color and you want to pull this look off. For blush, this is a bright pink blush from the Beauty Treats blush palette, and I'm blending that out with my powder brush. For my glow, I'm using the Huda Beauty highlighter. I'm sure you can see the one I'm tapping, the very pink one. So I'm trying to be very careful because you could actually go ham with that and end up looking very, very, very funny. So I'm trying not to be very, very funny, if you know what I mean. So I'm just putting that the high points of my cheeks, my bridge of my nose, my cupid's bow, you know, everywhere that I have to be popping. To set this all in, I'm going in with the NYX matte finish spray it on, baby. For my lips, I wanted to keep it monochrome, or at least close to the eyes. So this is actually an eyeshadow. It's a great eyeshadow from the palette that this whitish silverish eyeshadow came from. I do not have the name of the palette because it's a really old palette, so you could use any grayish eyeshadow you have, it doesn't matter. And this is where I think I am going to be roasted, but please roast with caution. I'm using a black pencil for my lips. I know this is wrong on every level, but then I just wanted this to go a bit darker and give me the extra great effect. Well, that's done. I blended that in with the same brush I used in applying the gray eyeshadow to my lips, and then I'm going in with a clear lip gloss. And that's it, guys. I love the way the look came out. It's a very fierce look, so I feel I look really bold. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please take a minute to check on my channel, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell like button by it so you don't miss any uploads from me. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys. Mwah.